Morning, sir. You're Clayton Friddle.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Friddle's cases in cause number 25 DCCR 0450, 0451, and 0452, all charged with official oppression. And Mr. Gertz, what is the announcement?
Judge, still working through these. I think we can have a real answer in 30 days. We can have 30 days.
Mr. Smith, any issues? This will be the last, looks like you filed your letter of rep at the end of April. So this will be the final reset. Make sure you get in to visit with Mr. Gertz before that next court date so that we know what we're going to take care of, how to take care of your cases. Okay? All right. Thank you. You're free to go. All right, let's get that last. Good morning, sir. You're Dustin Knight. And so is this a re-indictment or is it two cases?
It's a re-indictment, Judge.
All right. Can we
It just changed the language. We've discussed it. It's
We're
the
agreed.
same charge. It's
Sure.
just a
You can
cleaner
just,
change in the
if
language.
you don't mind getting that other one dismissed, now that it's been indicted, that'll clean up
Okay.
what I'm looking at as well. And sir, you're Dustin Knight,
Yes, ma'am.
and Mr. Knight is charged with collision involving death. Case set for trial to begin with jury selection next Monday. Mr. Gertz and Ms. Molfino contacted me Friday. I know Mr. Gertz has two different things going on that seem to take precedence over this case, which is unfortunate because of the age of the case. Obviously, everybody knows that I'm ready to get it tried. I know that the complaining witnesses and victims' family are obviously ready to get this tried as well.
And
It has their,
spoken with them
have you?
about those issues, Judge. Yes.
Okay.
You know, they're very understanding. We talked through them when Mr. Gertz and I spoke as well. I have also filed, and I'm sorry to interrupt.
No,
you,
I'm glad
all
you,
this
no,
on the
please
record.
do.
I've also filed numerous documents in this case that was brought to my attention this morning. They did not go through the e-file. They've been e-filed, but they didn't process, I guess, because of the holidays. So I anticipate, I've shared what I filed with Mr.
Okay.
Gertz as well, and I anticipate there'll be more things for the court to address in signing those, but I don't foresee any reason we couldn't be ready for trial very shortly.
So, Mr. Gertz, has there been any change that you know of with regard to either of those? I know you've got a
Judge,
case next door with Judge Stevens, and then also Judge Thomas has a
My answer is.
protective
I would
order,
be-
right?
He does, Judge.
protection. Okay.
I would love to tell you yes, but I can't.
Okay. So just so that because of the nature of this offense and the witnesses and everything, I'm going to go ahead and reset it today. And then we will get it set on the next available trial docket. Make sure you stay in touch with Mr. Gertz. If anything changes between now and then, y'all let me know. Obviously, I'll take a look at whatever comes through. And if there's something we need to do before the next court date, legally or whatever, then we'll take care of that as well.
I don't anticipate that, Judge, but
Okay.
with the court's permission, before Ms. Holmes sets it on a docket, would you mind if I reach out to the family just to check their schedule? Just kind of, I need to try to work around the kids, the young kids' spring break, and also the wife of the decedent
Sure.
is taking a full load at Lamar right now, and so she just asked me kind of to be cautious of the dates so that she can work around some stuff.
Yeah. So if you'll just make sure, we'll talk about it and get with Ashley on that. Okay. We'll take care of that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, you're free to go. Good morning, sir. You're Miguel Martinez. And this is 25 DCCR 0584. Mr. Martinez is charged with aggravated sexual assault of a child. Mr. Gertz, what is the announcement?
Judge, we're still working through the discovery in this case. I don't know exactly when it was indicted, but this may be our first or second appearance, so.
Looks like you filed your letter of rep June 3rd. So,
It's longer than I thought.
yep. Any issue with the reset?
Nothing that we're aware of, Your Honor, so no problem with the reset.
So we're getting close to that time on this one. So I'll do a reset. Mr. Martinez, make sure you stay in touch with Mr. Gertz so you guys can go over the case and we'll see if we get an announcement at the next court date, okay? You're free to go. We're
You want
here.
some background or?
Yeah, so, well, it looks like we're here on a motion for early termination.
Yes, Judge.
Let me look at this. So, Mr. Rogers is on probation for two cases. In cause number 20-34772, on probation for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Was placed on was a 10-year deferred, is that correct?
That's correct. Judge.
October 26th of 2020.
Yes, ma'am.
And then, oh, thank you. And then in clause number 20-34493 on probation for aggravated assault causing serious bodily injury, same thing, deferred probation for 10 years on probation from the same date of October 26th of 2020. It's the date of that probation, correct?
Correct, Judge.
And Mr. Gertz has filed motions in each of those cases for early termination.
Judge, I know typically this is something that you reach out to us in advance and just get our input on it. I just wanted it to be on the record due to the nature of the offense. I've spoken with his probation officer, and I don't believe she has any issue with an early termination. He
I don't-
also successfully completed Veterans Court and has done very well. I just was hesitant due to the nature of his offense.
So my issue with this, and I did get Ms. Malfino's response when I sent it to her, the judicial clemency part is my issue, based on the nature of the offenses.
It's deferred or is it straight?
It's deferred.
It's deferred, so judicial clemency wouldn't be, did I write judicial?
You
clemency?
did.
Oh, well, you don't need to grant judicial clemency because he doesn't have a conviction.
Right, that's what
And
I,
I think that was an issue I wanted.
yeah, I definitely did not.
I'm
I
sorry, so
definitely
that
do-
was just a holdover, I think, that I just didn't notice in our filing, so I apologize. So sometimes that comes up, but only with a conviction case, Judge, and these are
Right.
both deferreds. So judicial clemency shouldn't be an issue.
I did also, for the record, get a response from probation from Ms. Martinez that states that pretty much what Ms. Malfino stated, that he successfully completed the veterans program, completed anger management, that he has done well. They just, due to the nature of the offenses, aren't going to make that recommendation and would defer to the court, but are not opposed to it. And that's the position of the state as well.
It is, Judge.
Then at this time, I will grant the motion for early termination of community supervision in each of those cases. I am going to mark through some of this, well,
Asterisk, this is one of those rare courtroom moments where rehabilitation actually wins. Instead of focusing only on the original charges, the judge looks at everything that's happened since successful completion of a veterans program, anger management, and years of compliance. That's an important legal principle. Probation isn't just about punishment. It's also about proving you've earned a second chance. Do you think courts should reward this kind of progress with early termination, or should serious violent offenses always require the full probation term? Let us know in the comments. This is one of those rare courtroom moments where rehabilitation actually wins. Instead of focusing only on the original charges, the judge looks at everything that's happened since successful completion of a veterans program, anger management, and years of compliance. That's an important legal principle. Probation isn't just about punishment. It's also about proving you've earned a second chance. Do you think courts should reward this kind of progress with early termination, or should serious violent offenses always require the full probation term? Let us know in the comments.
through the part that you talked about judicial clemency.
Okay, thank
And
you,
I
Judge.
have granted-
I apologize for that.
Nope, that's okay.
That's an oversight on my
So, Mr. Rogers, it sounds like you've done great. You're what we want to see with everybody on probation. You've been on for a little over half of your probation period, so you're entitled to early termination if you've done certain things. This is the type of case where I'm glad to be able to say that you've done it all. And you, I'm signing the order today, so you will be off probation. All right, good luck to you. Thank you.